guess the person I have the most in common with is.
Yeah. Albert.
Yeah, I for the have a crush on Pam.
Oh no.
No, it's we're cool, right?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, it's great for me. Glad she has a friend at work she gets a day with. Oh, she's like, oh, bye, 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 bye. When she gets home.
Yeah. I like.
Hey guys!